Good morning everybody. So we're finally at the day that we can draw our ultimate release package, so we're very excited. Isla has decided that she's going to join us this morning and David has so kindly offered to draw it for us. So we've got our 10 finalists that have been drawn out, and of our 10 finalists we're going to pick 3 winners and we'll contact you today to organise your prize. So go there.
Very good. Okay, so the first one is, the winner is a friend of mine, Anna Douglas.
Oh,
Well done,
Anna,
Anna, well done. And the second one is Debbie Smith. Debbie,
Oh,
congratulations, Debbie.
lucky last winner.
Lucky last. And the winner is Marissa Davidson. Well
Awesome.
done to all you guys.
Congratulations everybody, and thank you everyone that entered. We had a huge entry, so congratulations to all our winners, and let's support Taupo.
Cool.